Did you know that fear of failure is the number one reason why most people don't start their own businesses? Crazy, right? Fear of failure is a common emotion that holds people back from pursuing their dreams or achieving their goals. Fear of failure can be caused by a number of factors that includes negative self-talk, past failures, or fear of the unknown. If you are struggling with fear of failure right now, you have come to the right place. Today, I'll share with you 10 strategies that you can use to help you overcome fear of failure. So let us dive in. When it comes to overcoming fear of failure, it's important that you identify your triggers. What are the things that make you feel afraid of failure? If you know your triggers, you can develop strategies to help you deal with them. For many people, the thought of what other people will say or think if they fail to achieve their goal is enough reason not to pursue their dreams or try new things. It took me a long time to start this YouTube channel for that same reason. But at some point, you must come to the realization that people have enough problems of their own to worry about, and you are the least of their concerns. So do you, and ignore the outside noise. If you are afraid of failure, do yourself a big favor by setting achievable and realistic goals. Setting goals that are too big or unrealistic can lead to discouragement and feelings of failure. Remember to break down your big goals into smaller manageable steps or activities. Accomplishing small and manageable tasks help you build confidence as you gradually work towards your larger goals. I discussed goal setting and tips to achieving goals in depth in my other video showing on your screen right now. Please check it out when you're done watching this video. In order to overcome fear of failure, you must learn to focus on the process instead of the outcome. When you focus on the process, you relieve yourself from the pressure of attaining the desired goal. Concentrating on the process will help you stay motivated and focused. Another strategy you can employ to overcome fear of failure is to change your perspective of failure. Instead of viewing failure as a negative outcome, see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Every successful person that you know and admire failed on their way to success. View failure as a necessary ingredient in your success recipe. Failure is part of the success journey. When Thomas Edison was asked about what he thought about failing 1,000 times in his journey to invent a light bulb, he said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps." Failure is feedback, folks. Negative thought is an enemy of success and can cause people to stay in their comfort zones and fail to follow their dreams. In order to defeat fear of failure, you want to master the ability to challenge your negative thoughts. Whenever negative thought comes, whether it's about yourself or it's about your ability to achieve a goal, you must challenge the thought. Learn to reframe negative thoughts or to replace them with positive ones. The more you exercise this strategy, the more you become good at it. Another way to overcome fear of failure is by visualizing success. Visualize yourself achieving or having achieved your goal. It's important to focus your mind on the positive outcomes rather than negative ones. This will help you to believe in yourself and your ability to achieve the goal. Past failures is one of the reasons why some people think they will fail in the future. Everyone fails at some point in their lives. You must learn from your past failures and move on. Use the lessons from past failures to make better decisions in the future. Don't allow past failures to prevent you from trying new things or taking risks. Your environment plays a major role in your ability to achieve any goal or become successful. It is very important that you surround yourself with the right people. Make sure you spend most of your time around people that are positive and supportive, who can encourage you and motivate you. This will help you to build your self-esteem and overcome fear of failure. Your mindset is very important when it comes to overcoming fear of failure. It is therefore crucial to develop a positive and growth mindset. The growth mindset gives you the belief that your abilities, intelligence, and skills can be developed through experience, hard work, and dedication. Such a belief system will help you overcome setbacks and persevere when you encounter challenges. Don't forget to celebrate your successes. No matter how small they may seem, take the time to celebrate. This will help you to build confidence and momentum and make it easy for you to overcome fear of failure. It's important to remember that failure is not the opposite of success. failure is part of the success journey. Every successful person failed at some point in their lives. It is therefore important for you to learn from your own failures and keep moving forward. Remember that overcoming fear of failure is a process and it takes time and effort. Implementing the strategies we discussed in this video can help you move forward and achieve your goals. Be patient with yourself. Give yourself some grace when things don't go your way. And as always, stay committed to your goals. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.